lovely viewers, good everyone, and welcome to Harmless TV. Yeah, my people, we don't come today. Maybe we can't address the matter when the be say it don't bodo for social media. So when they just they waka, they purikere, they go. This matter when the be say it consign Desmond Elliot. The kind words when the be say he can't talk. You know, say na speaker 9B9 for the House of Representatives when they for Lagos now. You know, say they don't make a lawmaker, so he don't join them when he be say they go. They take the decision, and the decisions now when he be say now then they take now then see they use their hands in the breaker. So this our Desmond Elliot when I know say now if you know Nollywood actor when they act, you don't say go they do smell for inside we go think say na one kind thing. So the guy now don't come out for this answers problem. If you not hear what he using mouth talk, maybe smart everybody verse, so including myself, I'm not happy when I hear the story. Now I say no, I go bring and come out so that my people they will still comment put they will still try to still advise and make it still know say maybe as it take the life, maybe so the life be say today you feel there for good position, tomorrow you go still there for that. Make you remember say even yesterday maybe we ain't there today, maybe there ain't there yesterday. You know understand? So the matter be say make we first listen to waiting him talk. We go they listen and one by one, then we go they cut and they explain and for him. So if he talk, we go try to reply and so that he go understand, then we too will go understand her. So I beg make una take a look for this first matter. So when he first yarn.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves.
My people, I think una don hear am. He say they need to address the social media. The social media now be this kind line when be say me and you go see they talk to each other. See they comment as you they watch and now you they hear me. Now this one I be social media, Facebook, Twitter, Google, all of them, YouTube, Instagram, Bobo, Tigo, everyone, all of them join now. Even the WhatsApp on all of them be social media. He say make government address them. Say the thing he get impact for the problem when he be say that they go through for the Nigerian matter, so for the SARS matter. Now say he really talk true too, because if you not do something, I don't believe say social media go see waiting they go carry come out now. Because when this problem starts with SARS police, we use our eye to see them. You know, say when all those police people when they don't hide their brain finish, go they do waiting that they do. They know they keep eye down. They don't know say there is nothing hidden under the sun now, because no matter what, God must surely expose you. So when it be all those SARS police that they do their tonton, they thief people money, they keep people, they carry them go prison in for nothing sake. They don't know say camera there, God they video them down, God they using eyes still they see them, and they record everything. So when the thing come bust out, now the whole world can say everybody now come they talk. So what is SARS police people do not good, the message come out. So now be the social media when they say now he carry the problem come. So the women I need to take address and Desmond Elliot with Buhari when being president. I beg, we are not the women I will take address this social media. Make una try to dey do good work. Make una try to dey bring better thing come for the country, so that social media no go carry wahala come for una. Because now wetin una show us now we go see. Abi maybe wetin we see self we go still show others. Now so now if I not see mouth no go talk. Now wetin we see now we dey talk. And make una not forget say this time no be like before, because it be like say I make some of una lead dey inside darkness reach today, especially Nigeria country. Because many of una leader be like say I not like truth, una not like better thing, and like self una not like, because now need everything make una dey do and for inside darkness. They oppress poor man for nothing sake, innocent people for nothing sake. That is why it be like say una not get light for that country. So you understand? But this time, my dear, people get small cash the day now. Sure you understand? No worry, they go feed, they go buy the fuel, put for the generator. Generator not the cost again now. I think every angle self they get, and I wait till I need abi. Now make una no one put lights abi. Una know how much when people see they spend, they put fuel for that generator. But they not still mind. They must still know waiting they happen. So my dear, make I let you know say this time maybe like before when it be say when you go do bad you go hide. You know go hide this time. Anything when you do now so you go just come out, and you must surely bear your own cost for inside. So now be the matter. So if you want make this social media not they bring bad impact for una way, make you not come they cause wahala for una. I beg make una they do good thing, so that we go they see that good thing, still they talk and come out, still they show people, everybody go see they happy. Because now good thing now we want see, who not like better thing now, I too like better thing. I beg, we not like bad thing, so we will not need them for that side. You know understand? And we will still listen to my people for the second matter again. We go they help them like this now, so that thing go not say we ready for them today.
social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact.
Social media of a thing. Oh no, the time when you dey add Nollywood film, you understand, for that una Nollywood film, many people dey act reasonable thing, wetin go dey teach people sense, wetin go dey make people life dey move forward. But many of una dey teach they teach rubbish. Because if una see for Nigeria na many of our boys now or girls now they turn into something else. Now wetin they see for inside film that time, abi una don't forget all these armed robbers who when you say they full everywhere. Now teach them how to even they hold the gun. Abi you don't know that one. I can imagine how can you when it be say you be even actor before na film you dey act. I don't even know what you sabi for law making. I don't know who whether na for Nollywood for they make that law. Only God bear me witness. You understand? But somebody like you when it be say you don't still see life small. I can imagine how you go come up to dinner. You not go remember where rain for beat you again. You not go remember where you for grow again. You forget that same social media now it lead you for where you did. This month oti baje ori okpe kokokon ori okpe wallahi. So make you just try to move your way well because that kind of matter when you just come they talk come as you not join at all. How you come they tell us say social media do this social waiting you take they grow na social media. Oh you don't know some negative or positive. Say when you do good you go show and when you do bad you go show and that's waiting that they call them Nollywood. Many of our boys went on to Yahoo, went on to Arabas. Now, my cousin, only waiting on the show for inside now how to join society, how to join court. I've been a lie. All of them know the truth now. So now among the people when it be say they make our people turn to nonsense. They make our boy turn useless, turn to armed robbers, criminals for the road. So you there among you and your government, all of them on hand they inside. So now they come and they tell us say social media do this, social media not do that. Say come and tell you not feel close social media. Even for that Nigeria self when you do, you not even get level. No, not feel close anything. Anything. Yes, if you want close anything, any network or anything, make sure say una go close and for the whole country. Even when be the governor, be the president or anything wanna be, una no go use them. Not forget say yourself if they use Twitter, all that una communication when I tell they do kurukere na Twitter na they use, na Instagram na they use, na Facebook na they use. So if you say you want close and because of who you want close, it go still affect you. You understand? And forget say make una say una just there for night they operate people when it be say then they show the things when it be say they use their eye to see. They won't bring the truth come out. Now go they oppress and they carry them they go prison. Men are they very very careful because all these things with the record and so. We they record them, it did them. So if una dey they oppress our people when it be say the day back home, make una take una time well. Because for this side there we get freedom of speech, freedom of expression. So nobody they find trouble. Even small pikin say go ask president question. He go tell president self your own opinion. Now that one nine we dey. We know they say one person pass the other one pass the other one. No, we go like to hear from each other, then get answer from each other so that we go feel move forward. So no can tell us anything about social media because none of it do anything, none of it do shit. You understand? Concerning where the social media day, there is nothing that will be hidden under the sun. God don't tell you cannot hide forever. You understand? This is the time when it be said the reality go come and so anything how when you want that. Now so it be. If you want, make the social media make it bring good thing for you. I beg start to do good now right from today. Advise your government so that they go know what they do because all those dirty places when they for Lagos video deal the work one that they do is when you there for post with the is when you there for post with the write and down. We see the wash hand basis when you buy give them the time of coronavirus and all. So the ones when you be say you they work with the right and down and be very careful. And what I want to remind my people be say all those kind of people when I say for this kind answers time, they not support the good thing when they come for their country. All those kind of people they don't even need to do for any better post say for that Nigerian government self, including all those useless police people when they say they kill people, they even thief people, they do any all those police when I see for inside camera when they do all those nonsense. I beg make una not try make una put them for any post when it be say they go work for there. You know understand? Including this Desmond lot. So that post when you did me, I don't know, boo. You know some people still vote you in. Maybe they go still support you the next time. If not me, I know say that place you not fit you because you not fit defend the people when you come there for. So that one I did very very important. You understand? So put that one for your brain. You understand? So that next time you go learn how to address your people. Okay?
Let me first thank you for condemning the wanton killings and carnage that happened at Lekki. When I went through the comments, I could not believe it, Mr. Speaker. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing, people having the effrontery to enter an Oba's palace, hold the staff of office. Culture is gone.
They don't get any right to take any life. They don't get any fucking right to take any life. So you need to condemn it. You understand? And all about all these cause when they talk matter, my dear. See, if you not respect yourself, nobody go feel respect you. You see, as you come out now, come talk this kind of matter now, you see everybody now they attack you. Everybody they vex for you, including me, and they vex for you because the matter not they right. You understand? So if you not respect yourself, you not go expect even small pikin make they can't respect you. Now that one might be the wahala. Now the cocoa be that, my dear. So all these cause when they cause all those people, they deserve them. You can imagine person now when he be say kill your pikin or he put you into stress, into frustration. What thing you go do? You go swear for that person. So what thing you think before? Say you go kill them, shoot them for nothing, waste life. You will come back on the talk nonsense, come they talk say your eye not see, you not see, this one happen, this one not happen. You think say they go sit down? Who even get with you go try make it kill you? Yes. Who get with you go try make it payment you for that? What thing you think before? Who not get with himself? You go even go juju herself, go the find as he want to deal with you. The one when not they go juju herself, you go meet him pastor. You go they pray with him God every day. God, did this person do me this? Fight my battle, fight for me. Fire upon that person. What do you think? You know say that fire go burn that case. That other kind of cause they reach people here though. So make una take time. If you don't want curse, I beg. You don't want to make people curse, make people insult you. I beg. They do everything jejereje. Make it a favor everybody, maybe only you. And you they talk of Oba Palace. And we still hear that one, Oba Palace. That one, that's what they do for them. It pay me well. Even me myself, I even comment put and say they don't need to go collect Oba stuff and all those things and all that. You understand? But the problem be say maybe only that Oba be Oba for the whole Nigeria. It get many Oba when it be say they for their palace. Nobody go break there. You investigate where say nothing they go on because we see many things will come out for inside that palace. So if you see money inside coffee now, then put whether na dollar be na euro be na pounds because that one not resemble naira. If you see money for inside coffee, maybe small thing now say I be about one bury money again. Every people even they sleep for under bridge and be say they need money. When about they carry money they go. I be person they see they die with money. Boo, I don't know. But the thing pay me when they go break am. But what you need to realize be say now how person take you, now you they take am. My father they use and they talk. He say na hand when you bring, now hand they follow you. If you bring good hand, they use and follow. If you bring bad hand, you go use and follow you. He say I'm a good and bad. He say good in bad. Any hand when you bring, now you go take follow you. You understand? So you're supposed to look down to know whether Oba in agree with him people. Waiting they happen for where that Oba day for lack there. How manage when it come be saying people come the verse for us. So they as they respect and reach when be saying Oba gidigba. Oba ne be president. They know they vote for her now. As they just born a more banner, so it be they carry and come from earth now. So they don't need to do them. So you two go see, try to see investigate where, so that any place when it be say Oba for wrong people, you go call them back. They go settle the matter. I even don't see the video say Oba said, hey, congratulations Oba. Oba said that even go sit down for in chair. Yes, Oba don't go back to him post. Oba said that video, waiting that they call self. He said that in para where they even carry self. He said waiting be done. He said that one a para an ordinary stick be done one. He said wetin one use and do. He said the main staff dey na him hide that one dey kukuruje. So that day na they come they do the sacrifice, they do the incantations, everything, they do the ritual so that Oba go sit down back because wetin they do for the chair no be small. If you see small children they stand, they march and you know, you need to clean every barrier, every bad luck come out so that thing go sit down. Oba self don't even sit down. Oba not to complain. Maybe you for supposed to come talk am because Oba need to go calling people so that they go sit down, solve the problem. Oba matter with answers matter na different. People when even they do answers, many of them don't know Oba. So now people when know Oba, when be say they come from the same place, now then know where Oba keeping things, now then go break Oba house. So the Oba no be answers, make not they try to they mix the matter. You understand now? Now so it be maybe still they listen to her now. It be like say he wants to yarn for us.
When shall we change this narrative? I put it to all the celebrities out there, all the motivational speakers. This is the only country we have. The wealthy will go. When anything happens, what is our common saying? We die here. Please, celebrities, please, social media influencers, stop the hatred already. You have a means constitutionally to change government. It's called your P. Mr. Speaker, in the next 5 years, there will be no Nigeria. If we don't start now.
Yes, my dear, you are very, very right. Before uncle, you don't know say my country no go fit survive that 5 years, because if we not continue with this kind of corruption, atrocity, killing, stealing, kidnapping, bad treatment, inhuman treatment, injustice, when the business they commit for that land, all these evils. If we not continue like this and not stop, my dear, Nigeria no go fit answer Nigeria again in the next 5 years time. You are very, very right. If una when be the government, una no fit change una ways, the ways when I think they do una people, how I think they oppress una people, my dear, it's not big shame now be that one. You can imagine as una people even be for that Nigeria. Which airport una they disgrace everybody. Una go stranded people when they be say they come home, come visit una people, because una they beg 1 naira, 50 kobo. Everywhere na police hold up. Police now they don't be armed robber everywhere. Wetin cause this wahala? No be police matter. No, not even still they shame. No, still come and come they talk the matter. Who you want change? Who you want address make it for better? You need to address yourself, because now be the mistake. You are the mistake. Yes, now be the mistake. Now they cause the wahala when they for dance. So ordinary human being waiting they do you. Innocent people, poor people waiting they do you. They see it, they not see it. Nobody they kill you. But now go upon all the ones when I still get, now still go still they collect this small one all these poor people get. How do I want to survive? How do I want to survive 5 years? My dear, make una address that una issue of area of government where make una try cement and punish and can't even paint am. If the house don't old, make una try break and then they come build them again. Come renovate and so that everything go dey okay. If not, na no go fit survive 5 years because where una dey go so na into doom. See wetin una come dey do people na, even all this time when e be say answer still dey. SARS don do their una still carry gun still kill people for Lekki. That one never even still reach sef. See as una dey pack all innocent people for road, and you think say wetin? Say the world go just sit down they look you? No, my dear. So you need to address that issue, because if you don't address am, now so una nyash go dey open always and make una even they talk and say all those una military when go shoot for Lekki, una no wan share them come out. We get their faces, so we know all their video we don't delete them. No, we save am. Well, if you see where we save am, you know they even they see am for where we don't share am. Go many places now. You know how many people had when it dey. We they give una the government, we they give una time. Say make una take do una own investigation, because people when be say they go break palliative, they go do many things. Una don't see many of them cash. Even some when be say they run for prison, I don't see them cash. But the people when be say they go kill for Lekki, all those soldiers, na say no one show them to us. No one even persecute them. No one carry them go court. No one even carry them go jail, because no say na send them now. So now be the government and na be now that one be the law when you they make you when be this money lot. The law when they make when they use na hand take the spoiler. Abi? Then be that one. See, make I tell you at this time, all of our plan don't fail. You see that Niger go clear. He go clear. We go separate that country. If we not take time, if we not stop to dey kill our people, if we not stop to dey maltreat innocent human being, wetin I go see? It go too hot for my head. I tell you the truth, because this time, check my channel and I go read wetin dey there. We ready to clean Africa. Yes, our continent, we must make them better. No matter what, Africa must be great again. No matter how you take and be. Because all this nonsense when they do so, if you see where white or Igbo they kill black, now go won't die. But see the kind of bad thing when they do to ourselves. Now you small rat, you will still come and consider they talk for the matter. The matter when you be say you don't see many people don't they jumps for the inside. Even people when you be say that they art film with you, big actors, actresses, you see them, they come and they come yarn better thing. Now you call the fumble. That's one. ó ti bàjẹ́. I don still tell you again. Ó ti bàjẹ́. Olódo. Hey, you too do. But you one no dey. And they hear, they see your second, waiting they call a second video when you come they make, when they talk like normal human being. But you know one thing, when you need to address us, when you need to talk to us, you don't tell us what's in your mind. Now that one when you hide for inside your house, come they talk. When you see your friends, then people your godfathers when put you for chair, when you see them, so you not fit talk the truth. Now shame, now you won't carry you go inside, go talk. I beg, hide your own. Yeah. And the one when even they talk, when you say pregnant women, say they go mosque, they go carry food, they go do this, they no go eat before. Riot there for the country for how many months? How many weeks? Almost 1 month. Now riot there. They no go work, they no go farm, they no go market, they no go eat. Eh? Una know say any place when you be say problem there, they must break every store. Una don't even see riot for Europe. The whole store that they even the thief, they do many things. And now what happen to Nigeria, now be that one so. All these ones now the problem when it be say now when be the government that they use my hand they put. Instead when I go protect my people, when I go like to come they provoke them. My dear, may you think twice next time before you come out come address us. Because as you see us so we they boil. As you see us, we not get joy for the way we want to take the look our continent, especially that Niger so. We not get joy at all. Shebuna don't see another one when see the happen. No part of the Africa now when it come be say problem not there. Everywhere. Guinea, Congo, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, waiting they call and Burkina, Niger, everywhere. Everywhere. Both Kenya, some all those side, Wahala. Waiting, no one keep person. Our mind they boil, my dear. So who knows say no go yam better to be say go enter our ear, make it relax for corner. We not send because we know they look face as we did too. So now for us to better, make our life better, make our children better, our future children when we go still get our children, all of them go enjoy, they go say yes, our parents fought for us. Because now remember say our forefathers they fight for us. Now make we get this more freedom when we get today. But this freedom don't call use no hand to spoil everything because only one person one chop, only one person one carry money put for inside coffee. I beg my viewers, thank you all for watching and may you remain blessed. Make one not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel which is Harmless TV. Because very soon now for them we will go the job get live. Yes, we go the talk face to face so that now see they bring on our own to read and go see they give our own comments. They bring a comment. Make una not see they forget say for that side we get music. Now so we dey dance, we dey shake and for that side anyhow when it be. And also we dey give the voice so that every mind go cool down. Who still go up, make it still relax. Now Baba God get power my people. Thank you all and remain blessed. Bye.